Sige. Pag-play ta, dali. Get the camera. Sige.
That's not worth much for you.
Sige. Tawa siya ng tawa, okay. Oh. Tumba. Hello. Medyo may boses na kunti.
And he's like, whoa, so this is normal, whoa, it's so clean here. How can they live like this? And then a child appeared. Yay, I'm at home. Wait, this isn't my home. Is this my home? I was like, okay, not sure.
That's okay.
We finally got that taken care of. He keeps saying that this boy, me, just call me Charlie. Okay, Charlie.
Eh, bakit? Masuko akong mga auntie na mag-igwad-igwad na sa lubot. Tawagin lang akong igatan.
Oh, you wearing your bracelet? If you can wear it.
The time check is 11:46. It's not gonna fall off. Gising na si Jack Boy. Awake na si Jack. Hungry na. Didi. Didi na ito.
My dad. So he's my dad. He's your dad. He's your granddad.
Ang bata, naglaro ang bata. Aye. Uy! Bye-bye lang. Wait. Close the door. Nandun sila, kinuha nila yung mga bata. Sila lang yung sasama sa lola at lolo nila. Hindi ba kaya yun sila mahiya? Ang dali. Ito, wave dito, wave. Wave na. Wow. Para sila doon, oh. You want to see?
Okay, you better shut up. I'm gonna call Liam now. Hi, Liam. Yes, can you hear me louder? Liam, are you seriously watching anime? Oh, hi, Jerry. What are you doing?
Granddad. Ano yan? Nagbigay ng talong? Ano naman dala ni Daddy?
Because I want to ask you something. Can't you just ask it on the phone? No.
Daghan kaya siya gipanghatag kay Wayne.
So come on, get off your laptop.
Lay down.
The best part. And then you interrupted. That doesn't matter.
Where's Gigi and Jenny?
What matters is me. I matter today. Why are you being so arrogant?
Laka naguban-uban.
So why do you want us to come? Because I want to ask you
Are they
a
okay?
very important question. Oh, fine.
Let's wave JJ.
So what is your question? I want
Let's wave JJ Jack.
something.
Wave JJ. Bye-bye JJ Jenny. Jack, dali. Daddy, hold Jack. Ay. Wala na. Doon na. Ano, JJ Jenny. Hala.
She said, she said, well, should we just go for a drive for it? I said, you can go in there and have dinner with them if you want. She said, will they be okay for that? I said, yeah. Yeah, McDonald's will be fine. She said, I said, have some granddaughter time.
Oh, they're gonna eat there?
Yeah, I said, eat in there.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
Where's the remote? This is too loud.
Anyway, today is
I don't know where they put the remote.
birthday. Come on, let's celebrate his birthday.
Oh.
Happy birthday to... We're not celebrating his birthday.
Because I always had boys, you see.
You. Yeah.
They've had girls.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
She never had
No,
experience.
with the girls,
girls.
it's different, yeah.
Kinuha si Jessica at Jenny. Wala sila dito. Kinuha ng kanilang lulo at lula. Sabi nitong isa kanina, dapat magkuan tayo, kami-kami daw, dalawa time. Bahala kami. Gising na si Jack. Gising na si Jack. B, tanaw ko sa face ni Jack, B. B, tanaw ko sa face ni Jack. Ay, jujus! What are you eating? Kumakain ng noodles si Jack. Ay, yummy? Yummy? I think my voice is coming back a little bit.
Is it? Because you're younger, so you can fight it quick.
You think?
I used to fight them off quick when I was younger, mummy, and now when I'm older, I can't get rid of them.
Yeah. Your immune is not so strong. Oh, he's eating noodles. More? More? Diyos ang tiil. Dirty na. Mommy, give you more. Medyo malinis yung ating kusina. Medyo may buses na kukunti. I'm thinking of the kids.
What?
Will they be okay?
I am. So, the one we see him come out of the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Imagine if they like it and they'll be like, can we go to Granddad's place?
What if Dad never like it as well?
Huh?
What if Dad never like it as well?
I know.
What if they all sniff in the big birds?
They'll be like, Wayne, can you come over?
You don't have to pay for a holiday. Okay?
Hugas ko kay para hindi madapot loob. Toilet. Maganda yung design ng toilet nila dito ay. Kaya merong mga ganyan ba, mga lalagyan. Excuse me. Yeah. Jack, oh look. Look.
You got to slide in, yeah?
Mommy, play. I should go in there, just straight ane and put the something.
Yeah.
And then do like this. This was their music before, right?
Yeah, so it used to be in the old days, isn't it?
I like this.
Jack likes it as well, doesn't he?
Yeah. He's looking. Yan o, akong kuan. Audience. Like it? Wala pa din sila, ang mga bata. Wala pa sila dito. Hello. Hello. I think the thing that gave me helps, honey. Asa ka? Na, hello, tita. Ay, wala pala, eh. Sometimes, pause pa din. Say hello, titas. I love you all. Ina. Ayos. Alaka. Nag-rain. Rain, go away. Oh, dali oh. Ang pagod na to. Mahirap na to siya bantayan kay kung saan-saan na lang to siya magpunta ba. Oh, grabe naman tong ulan, oy. Do. Rain, go away, come again, another day. Jackie boy, I want... Tay, wala, natindog rin hapon. Jackie boy, I wanna play. Rain, go away. La la di da dang, da ding da di dong. Asa man gug ka?
The Special 20 is widely regarded one of the best out-of-the-box harmonicas you can acquire.
Is it? How much is it now? I bet it's expensive now or cheaper. Go, daddy, go. Sukura ba na siya pagkamang? Pero, oh.